Hi friends, Travis here. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you, and of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we have a room tour video. This is Carnival Magic Room 2216, a split configured porthole room on deck 2.
Let's go ahead and get this room tour knocked out. I do need to get out of the cabin already. They're like calling for everybody to leave, so this should be a quick one. When you come in this room, immediately to the right, you've got the door to the bathroom. We'll go in there in a minute. We also have on the other side closets. This one is where the life jacket is, and there's some sideways hangy stuff. This one is a regular facing closet. Some storage above, and then this third door is shelving, another hanging rod, and also a full-length mirror. So yeah, not bad. This room is a little bit unique because it's one of those interior upper lower rooms. It doesn't have an upper, it's got two lowers, but I'll show that in a minute. This vanity is very long. You got two outlets there, and this one as well. Stool and trash can there, pardon all my stuff from last night. We have a fridge here and drawers on this side. That's where the hairdryer is, your room phone, etc. Coming around this way, we've got this safe storage here, some open shelving there. This does have portholes, which is super fun. This is one of the beds. Pardon that it's not like super made, but yeah, just a twin, or actually I think it's even smaller than a twin. It seems really small. And then it has the pull out couch. So let me step back a little bit and give you like a little, you know, whatever. That's what the room looks like, more or less. Let's go into the bathroom real quick. Standard bathroom. Nothing weird or anything about this. It's just, you know, the usual small thing. You got the vanity there. I do have a hairbrush I need to grab because I don't want to lose that. Toilet on this side, shower over here. You do have shower gel shampoo. It is a curtain, unfortunately, not the greatest. That's the shower head situation there. This pulls out and plugs into that end so you can have a clothesline. I did use it for my swimsuit this week. And yeah, let me give you a quick spin of the room. Sorry, this is really rushed. This is the latest I've been running recently, so let me just do a nice spin of the room for you all, artwork, etc. But yeah, I want to thank you all so much for traveling with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.